Hi there, it is Mark Sebastian, the founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report reminder. This is for education purposes only, shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options carry risk. Consult a financial professional if you have questions. All right, so here we are, and you can see the S&P is up about 9, the Dow is up about 50, the NASDAQ's up 9, and the RUT is up 9. You know, yesterday around this time, I was saying, boy, everything looks pretty positive except for that Russell, which is down, and that's something that's concerning me. Well, here we are today, and the Russell is the big leader. So let me pull up a kind of a tick chart here of the Russell 2000 for 2 days. I want you to see this. And you can see it took a big dive and pulled the market down with it, and has since kind of recovered throughout the kind of day and continuing today. So we're almost right back to whence we came, which is interesting, right? Strength in IWM and some of the other things like that. We were unwinding some of our risk in that yesterday. So whereas yesterday I was kind of, well, I'm not sure this thing lasts. If this sucker stays green, we could see the market really get ahead of steam. I mean, you look at the major ETFs, they are all up. Retail, energy, financials, there's really not a soft spot right now. And, you know, everything is kind of running hot. Even Apple, which was up hot yesterday, is still green today. In retail, Home Depot knocked the socks out of earnings. And you can see it's still even down on it, even though they blew everything and raised guidance. Walmart on the back of Home Depot is seeing a bit of a bid. They've got earnings coming up later in the week. We also have Deere that I'm watching, and of course Nvidia, which has earnings Thursday after the bell. So we've got a bunch of earnings still. It's kind of the wrap up of earnings. We get the last few ones that we really care about. So I'm going to be watching to see whether that RUT stays green, because I think that's what's going to matter. Turkey, which got utterly obliterated yesterday, is up a little bit today. Seems to have found its footing. Still only up 7%, but definitely has found some footing and does not look nearly as ugly as it did yesterday. You know, I'm keeping an eye on all the different pieces here to see what I can. You know, we've been trading around it. EEM, those emerging markets, you know, they were getting absolutely obliterated yesterday. They seem to be recovering a little bit. Let's see if they can get ahead of steam. I'd also like to see EM get bid. That'll be a lot more positive for the overall market. So you can see, I think you're going to see the VIX back at 12, in the 12s today. It feels like things got way overbought yesterday. I'd be looking at today as an opportunity to be taking some easy money off the table. It certainly feels that way. All right, folks. If you got questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a great day.